Hi everyone, my name is Michelle White, and in this tutorial we're going to go over the traffic map widget. So let's go ahead and get started. We use sort of one example of how you can customize or sort of one look of what the map can sort of look like. So a couple things just to point out, the map itself does rely on what we call a Google API key. Now some of you guys might already have this key created, which is totally fine. You can sort of just kind of reuse that. However, if you don't, not a huge deal. We can go ahead and help you guys generate or create that key itself. So feel free to give us a call. Otherwise, again, if you guys want to go ahead and set it up, that's completely fine as well. So once you do have that key though, now you can sort of come into our system and select the map widget. So I'm sort of jumping ahead, you guys, in this tutorial as far as like how do you create a zone and how do you add a widget. And the only reason why is because, we're really just focusing on this widget itself. And there is a tutorial that will sort of teach you guys how to kind of create the zones and how to kind of layer things up. So we're kind of skipping ahead a little bit. So like I said, once you do have the map widget, come right into the map settings. And this is where you'd actually paste that API key. Once you do that, as you can see, this is sort of the features or the things that you can use to customize your map. Now, one thing I really like about the widget is that we have this window right here, and I can simply use my mouse to sort of zoom out or zoom in. I find it very user-friendly to sort of get the map exactly how I want it. Now, if you don't want to use this window, that's completely fine. We do have sort of the up and down arrows right here. Now, as a default, you are going to be set on the road map. We do have a satellite view. We have a hybrid view, which basically a hybrid view, you guys, is a combination of a satellite and road map kind of put together. And then we have a terrain view, which again kind of looks like the road map, but as you can see, if you guys have any like mountains or, huge canyons or stuff like that, it does kind of give you that sort of 3D look. So depending on, where your sort of location is, that might be sort of a right fit for you. And then, of course, we do have the zoom. And as I said earlier, you can simply just use this window to sort of zoom out or zoom in. And then the last and final thing is we do have the show traffic. Maybe it's something that you don't want to show. Maybe you just want to show the map itself. Again, you sort of have that function right there. And then the last thing, too, is there's nothing that you need to do with the style tab itself, only because the map is sort of giving us, or I should say the Google map is sort of giving us that look. So that's sort of the end of our tutorial. If you guys have any additional questions, feel free to call or email us. Otherwise, hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.